Waste Management's earnings per share have grown by 9.5% annually over the last 3 years, indicating a fairly good growth rate. This growth is particularly notable considering the company's large market capitalization of $93 billion. In its recent quarterly results, the waste services provider reported revenue of $6.43 billion, exceeding analyst estimates by 1.2%, with a year-over-year increase of 19%. However, the company's EPS of $1.80 missed analyst estimates by 5%. Despite this, the company's adjusted operating EBITDA margin remained stable, decreasing only 10 basis points to 29.9% from the year-ago quarter. CEO Jim Fish emphasizes the importance of aligning the brand around sustainability, highlighting the profitability of initiatives such as using decomposing trash to produce natural gas that powers garbage trucks. The company's financial performance is expected to continue growing, with revenue forecast to increase by 6.3% per annum on average during the next 3 years. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.